Take these two arms of this panel and fix it here. And here we have two plugs. The first we go here, and the second we have here lower and upper. We put it into the upper plug. Here, little bit push with the fingers and this, and we also fix it. We have to put it here, and also we have to fix this safety switch for these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on and so on. So I show you how we put the first thread here, then we take off the spring. The accessory bag we have, among the others, this tool. Plate, go to the first tensioner, detector, we go like this with the thread going around and go down. Then we can see the compensating springs here, and we must go with the thread through this spring and go back to the on the left roll. Next we go with the white hole. With the thread we will not be able to do it because here are the blockades for the catcher of thread. So we have to, with the finger, take off this blockade